In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to Task Google Calendar. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to start managing your to-dos right inside Google Calendar. First, open your web browser and head to Google's homepage. This is the simplest starting point for most Google tools. From there, look to the top right corner of the page for the Google Apps icon. It looks like a small grid of dots, sometimes called the waffle. Click that to open the menu of Google services available to you. In the Apps menu, select Calendar. This takes you into Google Calendar, where your events and schedules live. Give the page a moment to load. If you're already signed in, you'll land right on your calendar. Otherwise, follow the on-screen prompts to access your account. Then you'll see your calendar view. Once you're in Calendar, locate the tasks icon. Depending on your layout, you'll typically find it along the side panel or near the top bar. It's usually a blue circle with a check mark. This icon is your quick gateway to Google Tasks within Calendar, letting you see and manage your to-dos alongside your events. Click the Tasks icon. As soon as you do, a panel will open with your tasks. Think of this as switching into your task workspace without leaving your calendar. You'll see your task list, existing tasks if you've created any before, and the options to view or adjust details right from this panel. At this point, you're switched to tasks inside Google Calendar. You can keep the panel open while browsing your calendar, so your schedule and to-dos stay connected. This is helpful for time blocking or making sure deadlines align with your events. Now start setting up your tasks. Add clear titles so each task is instantly recognizable. Include due dates to place them on the calendar, and if helpful, add times to make them part of your schedule. You can also break bigger tasks into smaller subtasks to make progress feel manageable. Notes are great for quick context, like links or reminders you'll need later. As you complete items, check them off to keep your list tidy and your progress visible. If your priorities change, you can quickly edit dates or move tasks between lists to stay organized. That's all you need to switch to tasks in Google Calendar and begin using it effectively. Keep the tasks panel handy, build a routine of reviewing it alongside your events, and you'll keep your day focused and on track. Thanks for watching and happy planning.